Hello everyone, draw a long capital letter V and a capital letter U on top of it closing it, and draw a rounded triangle on top and have two more curves on the sides of it. You know what it is, it's a carrot. Then detail it dense with black and draw self lines in a little mouth. Draw number 5 but don't draw the top line, make it drawn a little bit downwards. Then after that close the shape with a similar curve on the other side and have a little curve on top and extend a line from that closing it. Then draw a little water drop design on the line, making it as a leaf. It's a lovely apple. Draw capital letter W and close it with the inverted capital letter U and close the shape. Then extend a capital letter U in a long manner at the bottom and draw pattern lines on top and color it with green. In the bottom, color it with purple, then leave a little portion of white for making the shine. Draw capital letter W and connect the pointy edges with a curvy line at the bottom. Do the same for the left and right and have a curvy rectangle at the bottom and connect the first and the third one with a curvy circle on top. Do the same curvy lines on the left and right and have the middle one extended with a line and have it branched and color it with green. Draw a big capital letter U and a little smaller triangle at the bottom and have a capital letter Y in the middle closing it and have an inverted capital letter U in a longer manner on the top and have curvy lines on top of it. Then draw a set of parallel lines in the middle of the U and the perpendicular lines to that and color a cone. Have a little curvy triangle and have a curvy rectangle at the bottom of it and extend a very large curvy triangle from the top of it and close the shape. Have a curvy rectangle at the bottom and have an inverted U in the middle and a smaller version of that and close it. Then also have a plus design in the middle. Then have a little oval shape on top right and have it connected with lines. Have another little U in the middle of the first rectangle and have a plus design and have a polka dots and color it. Draw a line and close it with a capital letter U and have another U parallel to that. Then have curves on either side and draw a little line perpendicular to the first one and have curves on the opposite side. Then close it with a curvy line and have another curvy line parallel to that in a large manner. Then draw the soulful eye and detail the pupil and draw a little smile and little water drops, making it in a black color in the middle of the U shape and color a beautiful boy with watermelon. Draw capital X in a curvy manner and close the shape at the sides with the curvy lines and draw a long capital letter V pointing on the right side and in a curvy manner as well. Then have a little stapler pin at the bottom and connect the shape and draw lines in the middle of the triangle. Draw the soulful eye and a little smile and blush just for a banana. Have a long stapler pin and close it with a capital letter Y and make two capital letter Y's on top of that in a smaller manner. Then after that have a pointed triangle on top of it in the middle. Then close the shape at the sides with a line and have a little rectangle at the bottom and color it with green. Draw a rounded triangle and a capital letter U at the bottom in a curvy manner and add polka dots in the middle of the triangle. Then draw a little oval shape by the side of it and a little capital letter U underneath it and draw the polka dots and add the face and color it. Draw a flat capital letter S shape and have a curve on the left side and opposite side have another curve and draw two more curves at the bottom of it from the point and add the lines and close the shape and draw the membrane. It's a leaf, so color the bud with shades of pink and red. Draw a triangle leaving the bottom open and have a thick line on the left part of it and connect it. Then at the bottom of the triangle have a curve and connect the bottom part. Then make a similar line at the bottom part of the triangle and on the line and draw some water drops in the middle of the triangle and paint it black and paint a watermelon. Draw capital letter V and a bigger version of that at the bottom and connect them both with an inverted capital letter U. Then draw a few lines at the sides of it and a curvy line starting from the middle of the first V and do the same for the left side and color it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.